Unlocking the meaning of blessings from above. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful phrase that you might have heard in English conversations, songs, or even read in literature. Blessings from above. It's a phrase that carries a lot of depth and positivity. So, let's explore together what it means and how you can use it in your own conversations. First off, let's break down the term blessings. A blessing is something good that you receive or experience. It's often seen as a gift that brings happiness or benefits your life in some way. Blessings can come in many forms, like good health, success, or the support of loved ones. Understanding this word is key to grasping the whole phrase. Now, when we add from above to blessings, the phrase takes on a more specific meaning. From above typically refers to something that comes from a higher place or authority. In many contexts, this is understood to mean gifts or good fortune bestowed upon us by a divine source or higher power. It suggests that these blessings are not just random occurrences but are given with intention and care. You might wonder how to incorporate blessings from above into your conversation or writing. This phrase is often used to express gratitude or to acknowledge the source of one's good fortune. For example, if someone congratulates you on a recent achievement, you might respond by saying, "Thank you. I really consider it a blessing from above." It's a humble way to acknowledge good things in your life without taking full credit for them. Blessings from above can be found in various forms of English literature and speeches, from poetry to novels and even in everyday conversations. It's used to convey gratitude, humility, or the acknowledgement of a higher power's role in one's good fortune. Recognizing this phrase in different contexts can enrich your understanding of its meaning and its emotional impact. We hope this exploration of blessings from above has illuminated its meaning and how you can use it to express gratitude and recognition of the good in your life. Remember, language is not just about words, but the emotions and connections they convey. Blessings from above is a beautiful example of this. Thank you for watching, and may you find your own blessings from above in everyday life.